Okay, check out what we just acquired here at Victory Honda Plymouth. This one is going to go quick, especially with gas prices on the rise. This is a 2023 Honda CRV Hybrid Sport Touring. Top of the line, top trim level for 2023 Sport Touring Hybrid. This is a one-owner vehicle. The lady bought this car brand new from us here at Victory Honda Plymouth. She's owned it since new. She's taken great care of it. It's got real nice Michelin tires on it. I'll show you those in a minute. It's got 84,000 miles on it. This one's been well maintained. It's got a great service record, a great service history, lots of good stuff. The Sport Touring Hybrid CRV gives you all the features: Bose radio, moonroof, power tailgate, built-in navigation, lots of cool stuff. Come check it out today. Victory Honda Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. This one is going through the shop, 182-point inspection. We check them out, top to bottom, front to back, side to side. Make sure the brakes, the fluids, the filters, the tires, everything is up to Honda specification. Then it can be backed with our guarantee, the Victory guarantee, the certified Victory certified vehicle. We give it a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. Under 100,000 miles, it basically covers everything, just like the factory warranty would. So you have that guarantee, and then you also get 3 months. 6 oil changes and 6 tire rotations, so 2 years worth of maintenance included in your purchase also. So just to clarify that, 3 months, 3,000 miles, bumper to bumper warranty, and 6 oil changes, 6 tire rotations, so 2 years on the maintenance. Give us a call today. Let me show you the inside. It's got leather interior. Again, lots of cool features. It's going to get professionally detailed inside and out. Memory seating, heated steering wheel. There's a button right here for the heated steering wheel. There's the miles on the car, 84,739. Built-in navigation here. Go ahead and push that. There we go. Built-in navigation. One of the keys, you get 2 keys, books, all the good stuff. It's got remote start. Come check it out today. We'll tell you all about it. Victory Honda Plymouth.